create a new drawing by clicking this drop down arrow or click this one beside the AutoCAD icon for new drawing. So I'm gonna use Acadiso 3D template for metric units because I'm using millimeters, and click open. Just gonna adjust my windows by dragging this one to give space for my reference drawing. To make the direction of the color parallel to the orientation of the Benz vise, I have to change the direction of the Z-axis vector. So inside the coordinates panel, up here, select Z and just point it to that direction or this direction. Make sure to turn on your ortho mode. Go down to the status bar and turn it on, and just point it to that direction, and just turn off the grid. Alright, again, I'm gonna use solid primitives and select cylinder from the following basic geometric shapes. So inside the modeling panel, click this drop down arrow and select cylinder. First, I'm gonna bring this closer. Alright, cylinder. Click anywhere on the screen. Type D for diameter option, enter, and enter 13.18. And extrude it to that direction or this direction, and enter 6.15. And enter. I'm just gonna zoom this in. And again, another cylinder. Snap the center. Type D for diameter option and enter 11.77. And the thickness is 7.1. Another cylinder for the hole. Type D for diameter option and enter 8.52. Enter, and just bring it in and click somewhere here. We're gonna use this one to poke the hole. So inside the solid editing panel, select subtract command. Select the objects you wanna keep. Right click and select this cylinder or rod. The next step is to cut. See this drawing here. Cut this lip or rim across, and what I'm gonna do is bring this to front view, and make sure to change this to parallel. So click this drop down arrow by the view cube and select parallel. Now I'm gonna draw a line from quadrant, or maybe change this first to wireframe, X-ray. Hold down the shift key and the wheel of your mouse. So I think this is easier to visualize. So L from quadrant to quadrant. Now this time you can bring this back to front view and offset this one. And the distance is, the gap here is 1.52. So I'm just going to use the calculator. Alright, 1.52 divided by 2 equals 0.76. So I'm going to offset this line. So O for offset and enter 0.76. So select this object or line. Click here. Select this line again and click here. So the total distance between these two lines here is 1.52. So I can erase that now. And draw a line from here to this in point. Another line from in point of this line to in point of that line. Now join the segment. So J for join command. Select this line, the bottom one, and this line across and insert. Now this is one object. And the thickness of the cut is 2.05. So hold down the shift key and the wheel of your mouse together and then extrude this one. Select this object and extrude it inside for 2.05. I'm just gonna change this to shaded with edges. Now I'm gonna use subtract command. Select the object you want to keep, right click and select this object that we just created to subtract. Alright, I'm just gonna check quickly. Distance from there 1.52 and from that point here is 2.05. Alright, so I'm just gonna change this one to realistic. And this tutorial is done.